Short Notes, Intelligence Bureau Recruitment 1. Examination Scheme. Tier 1. Online Objective Exam, MCQs, 100 marks, 1 hour. Sections. General Awareness, Quantitative Aptitude, Reasoning, English Language, General Studies. Negative Marking. 0.25 mark per wrong answer. Tier 2. Descriptive Exam 50 marks, 1 hour. Translation of Passage, Opted Language Left-Right Arrow English, Tier 3. Interview, Personality Test 50 marks. 2. Photograph Requirements. Size, 35 mm by 45 mm, colored, not older than 12 weeks. Light gray, white background. Face coverage, 70 to 80%, neutral expression. Scanned image size, 100-200 kilobytes, JPG, JPEG format. 3. Signature requirements. Clear black, blue ink on white paper. JPG, JPEG format, size, 50 to 100 kilobytes. 4. Mode of payment. Online, debit, credit card, net banking, UPI. Offline, challan, if applicable. 1. Assistant Central Intelligence Officer, ACO, Grade 2, Executive. Total vacancies, 3,717. Unreserved, 1,537. Other backward classes, OBC, 946. Economically weaker sections, EWS, 442. Scheduled castes, SC, 566. Scheduled tribes, Street, 226. CA page, The Times of India Kormojobs.in. Eligibility. Graduate degree, age between 18 to 27 years, as of the 10th of August 2025, with relaxations for reserved categories. CA page, Free Jobs Information, application period, the 19th of July 2025 to 10 August 2025. jagranjoseh.com, CA page, pay scale, level 7, 44,900 rupees to 1 rupee, 42,400, plus allowances. The Times of India, CA page, selection process, 3-stage process, Tier 1, objective, Tier 2, descriptive, and interview. Camera with flash photograph requirements. Size, 35 mm, width, times 45 mm, height, color. Only colored photos accepted, no black and white, expression. Normal, looking straight at the camera. Glasses. Eyes must be clearly visible if wearing spectacles. File size, 100 to 200 kilobytes. Format, JPG, JPEG only. Pen signature. Style, clear handwriting on white paper with black or blue ink. Background, white, plain. File size, 50 to 100 kilobytes, generally, credit card mode of payment. Online, debit card, credit card, net banking, UPI. Thank for watching.